Arweave is a revolutionary blockchain-based protocol that enables permanent data storage. Unlike traditional cloud storage services that require monthly or yearly subscriptions, Arweave allows you to store data forever with just a single upfront payment. It uses a unique technology called Blockweave to ensure your files remain accessible indefinitely, making it a game changer for preserving digital information. Arweave is a decentralized storage network designed specifically for permanent data preservation. Think of it as a global hard drive that never forgets. The key innovation here is that you pay only once to store your data, and it stays accessible forever. No recurring bills, no risk of your subscription expiring, and no worries about a company shutting down and taking your files with them. This makes Arweave fundamentally different from services like Google Drive or Dropbox. Traditional cloud storage has several significant drawbacks. First, you're locked into recurring subscription costs that add up over time. If you stop paying, you lose access to your data. Second, your files can be deleted or lost if the provider goes out of business or changes their terms of service. Third, these services are centrally controlled, meaning a single entity has power over whether your data remains accessible. Arweave was created to solve all of these problems. Arweave's secret weapon is something called Blockweave Technology. Unlike a traditional blockchain, where each block only links to the previous one, in a Blockweave, each new block links to both a previous block and a randomly selected earlier block from the network's history. This design means that miners must prove they have access to random historical data before they can add new blocks. This clever mechanism creates a strong economic incentive for miners to store the entire network history, ensuring data permanence. Here's how the storage process works. When you want to store data on Arweave, you upload your file and pay a one-time upfront fee. This fee is calculated based on the estimated cost of storing your data for at least 200 years, taking into account decreasing storage costs over time. Once paid, your data is replicated across a network of miners around the world. Economic incentives built into the protocol ensure that miners continue storing your data perpetually, creating truly permanent storage. The Arweave network has its own native cryptocurrency called AR. This token serves multiple purposes. Users spend our tokens to pay for storage on the network. Miners earn our tokens as rewards for storing data and successfully mining new blocks. The AR token has a limited supply, which creates deflationary economics. As more data is stored and demand increases, this scarcity can drive value for those holding the token. Arweave has numerous practical applications. It's become incredibly popular for NFT storage, providing permanent hosting for digital art and their metadata so they never disappear. Web archiving organizations use it to preserve important websites and historical content for future generations. Legal professionals store critical documents that need immutable, permanent records. Developers build decentralized applications, or dApps, that host both their code and data permanently on Arweave, ensuring their apps remain accessible indefinitely. Let's recap the essential points about Arweave. It uses Blockweave technology to enable permanent, decentralized data storage that can't be censored or deleted. You pay once to store your data forever, eliminating recurring subscription fees and ensuring long-term accessibility. Arweave is ideal for NFTs, web archives, legal records, and decentralized applications that require reliable, permanent storage. As our digital lives expand, technologies like Arweave are becoming increasingly important for preserving information for future generations.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.